Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again with Miss Darma. Now we will learn about the explanation text. What is explanation text? So, the explanation text is a text which tells the process of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. Social function or purpose of explanation text is to tell the reader how something works or why something happens. Usually, the event conveyed in explanation text will be explained in detail so that readers can get good information. General structure of explanation text. First, general statement, stating the phenomena or issues which are to be explained, which can be an introduction or basic explanation of the phenomenon. Second, the sequence of explanation states a series of steps. This section explains why and how the phenomenon occurs by clearly stating the sequence or stage of the event. The last, closing, states the conclusion. The final part of this text is a closing that conveys the conclusion of the text. This part is only optional. So, there are several linguistic characteristics or language features of explanation text. First, use the simple present tense. The simple present tense explains the facts of the event. The sentence pattern is subject plus verb 1 plus object or subject plus verb 1 plus es or s plus object. For example, the sun rises in the east every morning. Second, use passive voice. Using to be plus verb 3. This passive voice emphasizes the process of the action that occurs. For example, the forest is ravaged by wildfires during the dry season. The third, use chronological connectors or conjunction to connect sentence one another to make them coherent, such as first, second, next, then after, and the end, and the others. Okay, let's look at an example. So, this text introduced earthquakes that occurred in certain areas such as West Sumatra. Let's define the generic structure. The information presented in this first paragraph is general in nature, so the generic structure is a general statement. The next paragraph explains the causes of earthquakes, the process of movement during an earthquake, and the structure of the layers of the Earth's plate. So that the generic structure is a series of explanations. For the language features of the text, the red one is an example of the use of simple present tense, namely is, happens, are, wills, makes, are. The brown one is an example of the use of the passive voice, namely cause. Cause is verb 3. And the green one is an example of the use of the chronological connectors, namely after. Okay everyone, I hope everything is understandable. If there is something you don't understand, you can ask me. I have a task that must be completed and submitted at the next meeting. Please read carefully and identify the social function, the structure, and the language features. So guys, for the scoring rubrics, in comment number 1, you will get 30 points if you read and write in your book. In comment number 2, you will get 70 points if you do it and your answer is correct. There are a total of 100 points for this task. Okay everyone, thank you for your attention. I hope this is useful and good luck with your assignment. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.